so late, but I have good reason. I was at a meeting breakfast this morning learning about appraisals. I'm always learning, so I can try to be the best agent for you. So, anyway, I'm here. I'm late, but better late than never. I've even had issues printing my spreadsheet to read to you, so you'll see me flipping through my papers. Anyway, I'm here. So let's get to it. What is going on in the market for Lancaster and Northumberland counties here in the Northern Neck? Our strength of market is 74% this week. That is down from 80% last week. So what does that mean? The strength of market is what tells us whether we're in a seller's market or in a buyer's market. So if that strength of market is 55% or higher, we are in a seller's market. And if it's below 55%, we are in a buyer's market. So above sellers, below buyers. So we have 74% strength of market for this week. So we are still in a seller's market with 82 active listings and 61 are pending closing or under contract. So our inventory has dropped very slightly since last week. We had 84, now we have 82. We have less pending. So our strength of market is actually 46% less than this time last year. Our strength of market was 136 this time last year. So that's a big difference. Now, as far as breaking down into price points, almost all price points have fallen this week except for two. So 0 to 200,000, we're looking at 145% strength of market. That is one that has gone up since last week, very slightly, but it has. We have 11 active listings and 16 are pending closing or under contract. Our average days on market has fallen in this price point. Last week, our average days on market for active listings was 61 days, and this week we're at 51. So that has lessened some. 200 to 400,000 price point, that strength of market has fallen to 56%. So technically it is still a seller's market, but just slightly because that threshold again is 55%. So just barely above that. There are 25 active listings and 14 are pending closing or under contract. Our other price point that has increased in strength of market is 400 to 600,000 at 92% strength of market. So that is in a seller's market as well. 600 to 800,000 has dropped. It's at 122% strength of market. So even though it has fallen, still above that 55% threshold. So in a seller's market, there are 9 active listings and 11 are pending closing or under contract. 800 to 1 million, that has definitely fallen. Last week we're at 33%. This week we're at 27%. So this price point is in a buyer's market. 1 plus is also in a buyer's market at 38% strength of market. Last week it was almost crossed that threshold to be a seller's market, but it has fallen from 54% last week to 38% this week. There are 13 active listings and 5 are pending closing or under contract. Land, Land has actually gained some in inventory. We had 432 active lot listings last week, and we have 436 this week. 59 are pending closing or under contract, which gives us our strength of market of 14%. So that has gained compared to last week. We are actually 16% less in inventory for land than this time last year. And our average days on market in both counties for active lot listings is 857 days. So that has dropped over last week. We were at 871 average days on market. Now we're at 857. So that is your market update for the week. If you want to hop on over to my website at www.virginiastoughton.com, click on blog. You will see this and all my past updates. You can watch video replays. I will have the appropriate versions of my spreadsheet on there so you can see the numbers in black and white for yourself. I also give a lot more detail on there. So especially if you're thinking of buying or selling in the Northern Neck, hop on over there and take a look. And if you want to know how these numbers apply to you, whether you are buying or selling, let me know. And I'd be happy to chat with you. I'm just even about the process or any real estate related questions. Or if you have any questions about this great place that I live and work called the Northern Neck, I'd be happy to answer your questions on that too. All right. I hope you guys all have a great week and an even better weekend. And if I don't talk to you personally, I will see you next Wednesday here for next week's market update. Bye.